If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. I'm back with another unboxing video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the gift Jade which I received with my purchase from NurseryLive, and I'll unbox it and tell you how the plant looks like. So you see that this plant has arrived in the staple NurseryLive packaging where there are ventilation holes on the sides of the box, and now I'll slowly open the box to expose the plant in front of you and review it. So I'm cutting through the sellotape using my paper cutter. And this is the plant. As you can see, the plant really looks quite healthy, you know. The leaves are quite shiny, and succulents with shiny dark green or plump healthy green color is an indicator that the plant is really healthy. And now I will cut through the box because the box is quite narrow, so I won't be able to remove the plant by pulling it from the top. So I'll cut through the box like this I'm showing you, and then I'll take the plant out. You see that the soil around the plant has been covered using a plastic wrap so that the soil does not spill out. It also comes with a tray on which I can place the planter, and these trays usually help to collect the left out or drained water from the pot. So if I zoom in, you will see the plant looks really quite healthy. It's very shiny, the leaves are quite plump, and now I'll cut through the plastic around the soil to show you what the soil looks like. I'm speculating that the soil is sticky clay soil. Yes, just as I had speculated, this is the soil around the plant. It is clay soil, and they send the plant in such soil so that the soil can hold moisture for a long time and the plant does not die out during transit. So the plant comes in a pretty good condition. You see the stems are not broken, the leaves are quite plump and green and healthy, and I'll follow this up with a care that you need to follow after transit. So you see here, this is the plant. Many people ask me how to take care of jade post transit, that is after the plant is received by you via online nurseries. So the first thing I would like to suggest is that you let the plant get accustomed with the weather you are placing it in, because jade plants are natives of South Africa. They are not used to the Indian climate that much. You should give the plant some time to adjust, just like you would go to a new place and adjust. The plant too needs some time to adjust because it has to cope up with the stress which it has faced during the transit. Now the next step that would be followed is to water the plant. You can see the leaves of this plant. It has been 1.5 weeks since I have received this plant, and you can see the leaves are quite dried and crumpled, and this is the time when I water it. And for watering, I will take a mug of water and slowly place the pot inside this mug of water and let it remain here for around 20 minutes. And it's been already 20 minutes, and I have removed the plant from the water. You can see that the soil around the plant has expanded, meaning that it has absorbed the required amount of water. This method of watering succulents is called the soak and dry method. You place the succulent pot in a tray or a mug or any container filled with water. Let it sit for 20 minutes so that the soil can absorb the required quantity of water, and remove the plant from the water and then let it remain in sunlight. You should not water the plant from the top, and you should not spray on the foliage. If you notice, I have not done anything to the foliage over here. the plant will absorb the required amount of water from the soil and it will become plump and healthy as before in a matter of say few hours. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries, please get back to me. Thank you and happy gardening.